It's fall! Oh my god, I told you guys I love fall. I love the holidays. I love the cold because my heart is cold. Where's my tea? I need to be basic. Look, I even got a candle with all these other fall things inside of it, and the candle says pumpkin. We all basic in here. It's the best time of the year to be basic, and we are gonna take full advantage of that. I have my freaking long ass boots that are from Ross and tearing up, but it's fine because I think it looks pretty good. Cheap, but cheap is my life. So I have my new fall hair. Ah, I feel like I need to shake it.
It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark.
Wait.
It's the other side that almost stopped your heart.
I literally did not cut this hair because I wanted to be very extra for this video. Did I deliver? So extra. You guys, it's October, and for some reason during fall, winter, whatever, when it's cold basically, I love to cook. I mean, who wants to be in the kitchen when it's 120 degrees here in Arizona, when it's burning hot in a hot kitchen? Nobody. So I told you guys that I want to put up more content to help you guys get healthy, get fit, and really just move around during the holidays, because during the holidays is usually the time that people do what? They gain weight, they stay sedentary, and they just don't move. And they eat a lot of pie.
When I say I want, you say pie. I want
Pie.
I want
Pie. When I say yummy, you say pie. Yummy,
pie.
yummy.
Pie. Apple, rhubarb, peach, or pear. Any kind, we don't care.
I love pie.
Yeah, I love pie.
Oh, we love
pie.
And then they get sad once the holidays are over and they look down and they're like, well, damn, how did this happen? And we are going to prevent that. Yes, me, Yoshi, you guys, we're gonna prevent that this year. So like I said, I love cooking over the holidays. So today we are going into my kitchen and cooking together. So I got myself a air fryer from good old Walmart. And if you haven't watched my story time video on Walmart, I suggest you check it out. Yes, there are some very artistic drawings made by these hands in that video. So today we are making my absolute favorite healthy cheat meal, the good old American burgers and fries. And I say cheat meal because I'm in contest prep, and in normal real life, if I wasn't in contest prep, I would probably eat this maybe 1 or 2 times a week. Yoshi, are you ready to cook? Let's go. Come on, Yoshi. Okay, so first step, of course, you have to have your potatoes, and we are going to need to skin them, and we're just gonna do the little snap finger thing, and they're going to become unskinned. And just like that, they are unskinned. And Yoshi's in the trash can trying to eat potatoes again. So we have our trusty knife to cut to the potatoes here. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know, but now you will, is that Yoshi is completely obsessed with the potatoes. So whenever you just see her twitch a little bit, she knows what potatoes mean. And so whenever I'm cutting, she is right here waiting for a little delicious morsel of potato. Oh God, she's savage. She's savage. Look at her. Feasting. By the way, guys, can you appreciate this cute little mat? It's like 2 sticks of butter. That's my life. Sugar, like my skin. Homemade with love. Love. Food equals love. We're family, and family is love. And it's all a recipe for pumpkin pie, one of my favorite desserts. Now that we're all cut, we are going to use our trusty food scale, because remember, we are trying to count the calories because I'm very into that, and I told you guys to, so go get one. So we are going to measure it out, and then we are going to boil it. So our scale says 950, oh God, it's freaking out. 52 grams. So we're gonna boil this and then I will be right back. Oh, by the way, I like mine very soft so that it's crunchy on the outside and super soft on the inside. You guys choose your tenderness to your potato though. Are you trying to get to the trash can, Yoshi? Okay, so while the fries are boiling, I have to put my fries on a little hot plate because our oven, stove, and everything made this loud pop and it doesn't work and it won't work until Monday. And while the air fryer is, I don't know, the instructions said to let it run at its highest setting for 20 minutes before you use it. So we are gonna do that right now. And while that's doing that, we are going to prepare our burger meat. So I always put eggs in my burger meat when it's a cheat meal and a little bit of soy sauce. And then of course all the seasonings in the world. Okay guys, so back to the fries. You wanna make sure to lay them out and get them super dry. You don't want them wet at all. Okay you guys, so I put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and you just mix it all up and you put it all into the little container that goes into the air fryer. So we put the fries in for about 5 minutes. After that, we need to remove the basket and we shake the fries around. Then we increase the temperature to 390 degrees and then we cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. And supposedly they are supposed to come out like this. And we will see if they do. So cook the burgers, get all the things that you're going to put on your burger. When we do cheat meals, we put pastrami on it. And today we chose Swiss cheese. So you guys know I love hot Cheetos, I love spicy things, and for some reason, Cajun spice, or whatever the hell this is called, really like helps my addiction to hot Cheetos. So this is all I use to spice it up. Okay you guys, so the fries were not as good if I cooked them in the oven while soaking in a tablespoon of coconut oil. So I probably could actually just eat this during contest prep, just without the bun. The taste of the fries were good, it was crunchy, but I mean, I'm a fat girl in a fit girl's body. I like the taste of fat. So let's just say I had a real cheat meal the next day. But as far as a healthy little meal, the fries were pretty good. Next time we are going to try to prepare them the way the recipe in the book does it. The boiling might have thrown it off since it wasn't cooked in oil. I'll do it again and let you guys know how it is on my Instagram. All in all, I think the air fryer will be a good tool for me, especially since I cook so often through the day. I'll make sure to make more meals for you guys in the future and let you guys know how it goes. And if you guys want me to make videos of those meals, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You guys want more healthier versions of meals and want me to prep that on camera for you guys to use to help you on your path of healthiness? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up the video, turn on post notifications, and I will make sure to do that for you because like I said, I love cooking during the holidays. If you guys are wondering where Yoshi went, I took her outfit off for the cooking time and now she saw me like reach for the outfit again and now she won't come near me. So yeah. So me and Yoshi will see you guys next video on Saturday. Remember, you don't have to be a size 2. Abs are, oh wait, I don't have my crop top on today, but abs are great to have, but they are not needed to be healthy. Eating healthy does not mean you have to eat bland, disgusting food. But health is very important and I want all my watchers to be as healthy as they can. So be healthy, make an effort, all while enjoying the occasional greasy, fatty, soaked in fat French fries. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye guys.
It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking.